Hello friends, I am Cheri with cookswellwithothers.com. That is my food blog where I share all of the recipes for the meals that I make for my family. And then I share them with you to give you some new dinner ideas to make for your family. And it is the month of May, so I am sharing all quick and easy meal ideas with you this month, just because I feel like May in particular for all moms is a little bit busy. Kind of the end of school is wrapping up. You have some extra after school activities. Spring sports are starting up. For me in particular, since I am a second grade teacher, a mom of four, I run my food blog and have a new cookbook coming out. So stay tuned for that information. I feel like I'm a little bit more frazzled. So some quick and easy meal ideas would probably benefit all of us. You can find these recipes at my website, which is cookswellwithothers.com. You can also subscribe and hit the notification bell for my YouTube channel so that you never miss out on some new dinner ideas. So here we go with our quick and easy May dinner ideas. The first quick and easy meal that I have is actually on the grill. It's a grilled ginger garlic steak. You could use a flank steak or a flat iron steak for this one. I like to marinate overnight, just gives it a little bit of extra flavor, but it's not necessary. It's a very quick and easy marinade. We also have a one pan meal of creamy Parmesan chicken and potatoes, and my kids absolutely love this one. It's very easy, just a few minutes to put together and throw it in the oven and dinner is ready. I also have a slow cooker meal, which sounds a little bit weird because they're quick and easy meals, but it only takes a few minutes to put it together. Come home from work, shred up the chicken, and you can use this Salsa Verde chicken for a taco night. And everyone can actually make their own tacos, which makes it even easier on you. The next one is an everything bagel salmon. And this one is amazing because you cook it in foil, so there's literally no cleanup at all. And if you buy the everything bagel seasoning from the store, it is even easier. I also have garlic parmesan, halibut, and asparagus, which is another one-pan meal that's easy to clean up. You could swap out the halibut for salmon or any of your other favorite fish if you prefer. I also have another slow cooker recipe. It's Korean chicken rice bowls, but you can actually get two meals out of this one. The Korean chicken makes a lot in the slow cooker, so one night you could do the Korean rice bowls, and then the other night you could do Korean chicken tacos. We have a turkey sausage corn dog muffin. I just use cornbread mix from the store and the turkey sausage, and my kids love this one. It's kind of a fun dinner. It's a little bit different, but it's fun. And then I have a cheesy taco baked chicken. This one uses the taco packet from the store, making it even easier, and everybody loves that one as well. I have another steak recipe. This one is flank steak with a blue cheese butter. My kids don't love the blue cheese butter, so they just eat the steak on its own, and they're super happy. But the blue cheese butter for myself and my husband just makes it extra special. And then the last one I have is a grilled buffalo chicken, and that one is topped with sour cream and blue cheese. Just a few minutes on the grill, and dinner is ready. And I'm also going to include in the post some air fryer side dishes. You just throw those side dishes in the air fryer and everything is ready at the same time. So I hope that you've enjoyed this month's quick and easy May dinner ideas.